What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Car Break NL here, and we're doing a box of 2015-2016 Upper Deck Black for Richie. So we got look for six super premium cards per pack. It's a beautiful product. It's been very popular so far. It's only just recently released, so this is a little preview of what's in store for tonight. We got a box of Upper Deck Black in tonight's group break as well. So there's still 5 spots left in the group break if anybody is interested. These cards are definitely worth it. So check it out. Here we go. Good luck. Okay, first card we have a Tyler Seguin base card, numbered to 249 for the Dallas Stars. We have Illustrious Ink rookie Derek Forbort, numbered to 299. We have a Marc-Andre Fleury Black Star coverage. Marc-Andre Fleury. Next, we have Mikko Rantanen. That's a rookie coverage relic. Mikko Rantanen. After that, we have a Yuri Hudler autograph for the Calgary Flames, 76/99. 76/99. And here's the card you've been waiting for. We got a Connor McDavid Pro Penmanship for the Edmonton Oilers. Autograph. Beauty. Pro Penmanship Connor McDavid. So if that don't get you excited for tonight's break, I don't know what will. Beauty cards, beauty box. Thanks for joining us, Richie. Hopefully we'll see you tonight in the break, man. Don't forget, go big or go home.